What activities are permitted on the high seas under international law? Imagine setting sail across vast stretches of open water where no single nation claims sovereignty. The high seas, covering nearly 60% of the Earth's surface, are a realm governed by a complex set of international rules designed to promote freedom, safety, and cooperation among nations. But what exactly are the activities allowed in this expansive maritime domain? Let's explore the legal framework that shapes these activities. Under international law, primarily governed by the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, the high seas are considered areas beyond national jurisdiction. This means that ships from any nation have the right to navigate through these waters, provided they adhere to established legal standards. Freedom of navigation is a fundamental principle, allowing vessels to traverse international waters without interference, as long as they comply with applicable laws. One of the key permitted activities is maritime commerce. Commercial ships engaged in trade, transportation of goods, and passenger travel operate freely across the high seas. These activities are essential for global economic stability and are protected under international law. Ships must follow safety protocols, respect environmental regulations, and avoid engaging in illegal activities such as smuggling or piracy. Another activity allowed is scientific research. Nations and authorized organizations can conduct oceanographic studies, environmental monitoring, and marine biology research in these waters. However, such activities often requiring prior notification to relevant authorities to ensure transparency and prevent conflicts. Fishing is also permitted on the high seas, but it is subject to international agreements aimed at sustainable practices. Regional fisheries management organizations oversee fishing activities to prevent overexploitation of marine resources. Vessels must adhere to quotas, gear restrictions, and reporting requirements established by these organizations. Rescue operations are another vital activity. Ships and maritime authorities have the right and obligation to assist vessels in distress, regardless of nationality. This duty promotes safety at sea and helps prevent loss of life and property. Military activities, including patrols and exercises, are permitted under certain conditions, provided they do not violate other international laws or threaten peace and security. Additionally, activities such as laying submarine cables and pipelines are allowed, but they often requiring coordination with relevant international bodies to protect underwater infrastructure. In summary, the high seas are a domain of freedom balanced by responsibilities. Navigation, trade, scientific research, fishing under regulation, rescue operations, and certain military activities are all permitted, fostering international cooperation and ensuring the sustainable use of the world's oceans.